Hello, welcome brothers to my channel Razib. I hope that you are well. Today I will talk about a new predefined functional interface that was introduced in Java 1.8, and that is function. In the previous video, I have shown you a new predefined functional interface that is predicate. So function and predicate, there is some similarity between them. Okay, but it is not the same. Predicate. It returns only Boolean value. So it means it returns only true or false. Okay? Function. It can return any type of value. There is a difference between them. I repeat. Predicate can return only Boolean value. Function can return any type of value. So let's see how to declare the interface function. About predicate interface, we have interface predicate with input parameter t-type. And inside this interface we have the test, only one abstract method, okay, with t-type as argument. Function interface, here we have two parameters. So interface function, it's prototype of course, huh? We have t parameters and r parameters. What is t, what is r? T is like predicate, is an input parameter, and r is return type parameter. There is these two parameters in function interface. And also function is functional interface, so it contains only one abstract method. What is this abstract method? It is apply. How to write apply? How the prototype, always you only the prototype, of course, we don't write all this for predefined functional interface. So the apply method is like this. Apply, and we give him t-type parameter as an input, roots, and it returns r value, r type value. Okay? It's so simple like this. And you will understand, of course, with example. Okay? So the predicate return only Boolean value with we have only test method, and function can return any type of value, and it contains the abstract method apply. Okay? Now let's make a simple example. I repeat, simple example. The goal is to understand how to use this predefined functional interface and the others also. Okay, I don't want to put complex example. It is not the purpose of this course. The purpose of this course is to understand all this concept, and you can implement what you want after this. So, what I just want to return the length of the string. I give a string as parameter, any string or parameter, and after this I want to get this length. I know, you tell me we can get it directly with string.length. I know. I just show you how to use this predefined functional interface, this function. Okay? After this you can write what you want as a requirement. So what I will do here, function, and I will give him the input type is string, and I will give him the return type. What is return type? Integer. So function string integer. F equal. Here I put my lambda expression, so simple. str, simple arrow, str dot length method. So simple like this. Okay, so I have my function, I give him the input type parameter is string for me, for my requirement, and the return type is an integer. Okay, now if I want to get to call this function, system out.println f dot apply with abstract method of function interface. Dot apply, for example, Faisal. The output will be 6. Okay. I can also add, for example, system out.println Amin, and the output will be 5. Now I will go to the computer to show you this simple execution, how I have used this function, predefined function interface, and I will come back to continue the video. So let's go. So now let's see how to use function, predefined functional interface. So I will write function, okay, and I will give him the input type parameter, for me it is string, and I will give him the return type parameter, it is integer, like this, f equal str, sorry, simple arrow, and so simple like this, str dot length. Yes, I will import function. All the predefined function interface are in java.util.function, this dot length. Okay, now I will want to get the length of toString. So what I will do, system out.println f dot apply, for example, Faisal. There is the first one, and the second, for example, Amin. Okay, so let's see the execution. As you can see, the first, I have the length of Faisal string 6 and Amin 5. So simple like this. So I will come back to continue the video. Now I have shown you how to execute this simple example. So let's see now the difference between predicate and function predefined function interface. Predicate, we use it if we want to check some condition, to perform some condition. But function, we use it if we want to perform certain operation. Okay? Predicate, it contains only one input parameter. Function contains one input parameter and one return type. Okay? The prototype of the abstract method. For predicate, we have test as with t-type parameter argument, and it returns a boolean function that contains apply abstract method with t-type argument, and it returns error as type for the return type. Okay? Predicate can return any only boolean value, true or false. Function can return any value. Okay? So what we have also only this difference between them. It's a very summary of difference between them. And in next video, inshallah, I will show you more example to understand very well this function predefined functional interface. Okay, as for the predicate, I don't know how many examples I will do, 2, 3, I don't know, I will see. But you need to practice with more example to be comfortable with this second functional interface, predefined functional interface, also familiar. Okay, so see you in the next video, inshallah. Thank you a lot of to follow this course until this moment. If you like it, like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel. I tell you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.